This is a very powerful time when something grand is happening in cosmos. A great possibility opens up for you in your inner space and outer space. Pindanda and Brahmanda both is ready for some great happening. If you just use your will, conscious will, bring Paramashiva inside you. Invoke Paramashiva. He will manifest with so much of power, energy, pure superconscious energy. Literally, you will be detoxed from everything, including Maya. Not just ordinary toxins. From the ultimate toxin, Maya itself, you will be free. You will be liberated.
Explore Ask Nithyananda, world's first spiritual AI. Subscribe to the channel.